Van and Sport Van handle rugged assignments day in and day out because of their built-in toughness, built-in value. Chevy Tough means things like suspensions built to take a beating from rugged roads and heavy cargo. Up front is Chevy's massive girder beam independent suspension featuring a rugged steel crossmember, computer-selected coil springs, and 4 heavy-duty steel control arms. Together, they provide a smooth ride and help keep the wheel movement vertical to help prevent tire scrubbing. Tough, weight-saving unitized construction enables Chevy vans to handle big payloads. Heavy-gauge steel side rails, cross sills, and outriggers form an integral frame, which is welded together with front and rear floor panels to form a rigid underbody structure. For added structural rigidity, steel side strainers and roof bows form the framework for the one-piece side and roof panels. Rust is the enemy of any vehicle owner, and that's why Chevrolet engineers have intensified their extensive anti-corrosion treatments over recent years. In 1978, for example, the sliding side door outer panel incorporated the use of special zinc-coated steel. Galvanized steel was added to the side door track and other critical areas. Last year began the use of zinc-coated steel for the body side outer panels. For a tighter, more leak-resistant body, special sealers are applied to sheet metal joints before welding. And two-sided galvanized steel for the rear wheel housing splash shields. And this year, the rear outer door panels are now made of two-sided galvanized steel. The entire body and doors are submerged in an electrically charged zinc primer that magnetically draws the paint into hidden seams and crevices. After a rich coat of enamel paint is baked on, aluminum wax preservative is sprayed in the lower body inner surfaces to help fight moisture and corrosion. Chevrolet is so confident of its intensified anti-corrosion program that all Chevy vans and sport vans are backed by a perforation from corrosion limited warranty for a full 36 months, no matter how many miles are driven. Chevy Tough, the added value built into Chevy vans and sport vans that keep them working hard and looking good. Chevy Van and Sport Van are styled for function and convenience with a wide choice of trim and paint options to suit personal tastes, while the standard bold argent painted grille adds to the tough truck image. This handsome bright grille with rectangular headlamps and bright trim is standard on the top-of-the-line Beauville Sport Van and on Chevy Nomad. It's optional on other models. Available for 1981 are these handsome moldings that can add to Chevy Van's good looks. Or, for that custom look in a van, there's the contemporary Chevy Sport option. On the inside, Chevy Van styling helps make work a pleasure, from the new striped vinyl standard seat trim to the neatly laid out instrument panel to the functional engine cover. For added luxury, these custom cloth high back bucket seats and matching door trim are standard on Beauville and Nomad trim levels, along with new spun nylon carpeting, rubber step well mats, color keyed headliner, visor mirror, and more. And there's a new mid-level trim available with Sport Van in 1981, Chevy Bonaventure. It includes bright grille with round headlamps, chrome bumpers, high back bucket seats with custom vinyl trim, full-length headliner, deluxe instrument panel, and color-keyed full-length rubber floor covering. That's Chevy's brand of styling for 1981, marked by distinction and all-around functional good looks. Chevy Van and Sport Van can add to the ease and enjoyment of a big day's work because they're designed with comfort and convenience in mind. Wide door openings and a low step height help make it easy to get in and out. Once inside, the comfortable seat position provides a commanding outward view through a large glass area and over a short hood that offers impressive down front visibility. Chevy's instrument panel is laid out so instruments are easy to read and controls are easy to reach. The engine cover offers the functional convenience of a parcel tray, beverage holders, wide ashtray, and handy storage compartment as well. For added pleasure, Chevy offers a wide selection of comfort and convenience options. 7 sound systems are available, including AM/FM stereo radio with CB unit. Power front side windows to avoid that long reach across. Convenient power door locks that instantly lock all doors with the flick of a single switch. And there's even a rear air conditioning unit available, so rear passengers can be as comfortable as those in front. A comfortable, smooth ride for people and cargo is standard on Chevy vans and sport vans. It's the result of bump smoothing independent suspension up front and 2-stage multi-leaf suspension at the rear.